In this lecture, we will discuss JavaScript. JavaScript is an object-oriented programming language used to create interactive effects within web browsers. It runs on the client side or in the user's browser. For our first JavaScript adventure, I figured it would be best to start with a basic Hello World alert. Hello World is the industry standard to learn different programming practices. There is a course manual that you can download for free, and it includes all of the code examples and descriptions from these video tutorials. You can download it by going to hofstech.com/webdevfundamentals. You can also get a Kindle version on Amazon. Links to these resources are in the description for your convenience. To start, we need to add a script tag. The script tag defines a block of JavaScript in an HTML document. Then we have a function declaration. Inside of our function, we're calling an alert dialog and setting the text for that dialog. Note that in JavaScript, a text string is enclosed in single quotes, not double quotes. Remember, we added an on-click event to our button already, so it will run our sort hero's JavaScript function when it is clicked. Save your changes and load your page in a web browser. Click the sort button, and there's our alert. Next, we will use JavaScript to get our label values, add them to an array, and sort them alphabetically. It's easier than it sounds, I assure you. You can copy and paste the code from the course manual or just type it all. It's up to you, but I'm lazy and I like copy-paste. Here we're setting up some variables that will contain the text of our labels. JavaScript will find our HTML elements using document.getElementById and the ID of the element. Text content will get the inner text of the specified element. Then, we create a simple string array using the variables we just created. An array is a special variable that can hold multiple values at a time. In this example, our array includes a list of strings. The array is sorted alphabetically by default. And finally, an alert dialog displays the sorted string array. Let's save and try that out. Reload your page and click the Sort button. As you can see, it worked. I'm going to show you one last thing, and that's how to create an HTML string and insert it into your page using JavaScript. Instead of our sorted heroes showing up in an alert, let's have them added to a new div. First, let's add a new div to our page and give it an ID. In the Sort Heroes function, remove the alert. Now we need to build the HTML string that will display inside of our new div. I'm going to copy and paste the code here from the course manual. So what we're doing here is building an HTML string. We're starting with the paragraph tag and an ordered list this time because we want to see the numbered list in the proper sort order. Next, we're looping through all of the items in our array and adding a line item to our ordered list. After that, we finish our HTML string with the proper closing tags. And finally, we're setting the inner HTML of our new sort results div to the HTML string we just created. What you just did used the document object model, or DOM for short, yay acronyms, to access and update an HTML element. The DOM is created when your web browser loads a page. Basically, it's a tree of HTML objects that JavaScript can use to manipulate HTML elements. Let's take this bad boy for a test drive. Save and refresh your page. Click the button and witness the awesome job you just did. So that's a wrap on this crash course on the fundamentals of web development. If you want to learn more, I do teach a full course on tactics and tools for troubleshooting front-end web development over on Pluralsight, which is the #1 website for technology training. When you're a Pluralsight subscriber, you get access to thousands of courses created by leading industry experts. I have a special coupon for my YouTube friends, and you can get a free 10-day trial. Just think of how much you could learn in 10 days. In Tactics and Tools for Troubleshooting Front-End Web Development, you will learn how to make websites fully responsive and cross-browser compatible. In the course, I'll walk you through fixing all of the errors on a sample website using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to make it fully cross-browser and device compatible. The link for the free course preview is in the description of this video, or if you're ready to enroll now, I'm offering a special coupon for my YouTube friends so you can get the full course plus all of the courses available via Pluralsight totally free for 10 days. Visit hofstech.com/troubleshooting to get started. If you enjoyed this course, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell to get notified of future content. It has been great fun helping you learn the fundamentals of web development, and I want to thank you for your participation. Until next time, learn, love, live to code.